Let's go get that money. Hi guys, welcome to Las Vegas.
Vegas, baby.
Here we are. Woo!
Whoop, whoop.
We are so excited to be here on this trip. We're going to be meeting a lot of YouTubers, and we cannot wait.
Cannot wait. It's going to be awesome.
Well, we are at Bally's, and we are in the Jubilee Tower. We've never stayed in the Jubilee Tower before, and look at this view behind us.
Check it out. We got the Mirage right behind us. Of course, it's daytime. We'll give you a nighttime shot here in a little bit after this room review's over. But
it is real. It's really nice. It is just. It's not a suite. It is just a basic room, but it is really nice.
Very roomy.
We're really impressed with it.
You'll see. It's very roomy. Bed's very comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
The furniture we're sitting on now, I tend to rearrange furniture when we get into rooms like this.
Yeah.
We can watch this view at night. This is going to be an amazing view at night, guys. You're going to love this. Bally's is right in the middle of all the action. We've got, the Mirage behind us. Caesars on this corner. Bellagio right over here. Cromwell directly behind us. You're right in the middle.
Trump Towers.
Yep, we're right in the middle of the whole works. Love it.
So anyway, we just want to give you a little room review. So let's check it out.
First of all, cheers.
Yes, cheers.
Cheers to you guys. And Granny's going to give you a little room tour while I'll follow her around with the camera and try not to make too many smart alecky comments.
Let's check it out.
Stay tuned.
Hi guys, here we are. We are in the Jubilee room at Bally's, and I want to give you a little room tour of it. You come in the door, and right to your right is the bathroom. It is a nice bathroom. It has a shower, no tub. Seems like that's what all the hotels are going to, is just the tub or just the shower with no tubs, that's perfectly fine. Plenty of room in there. Plenty of room for.
Good size shower.
Yeah, it is. Nice size shower. And you have your stool, of course, and then your vanity.
Oh crap! Oh what?
The vanity is just a one sinker, which is fine. We're only here for a couple of nights. We've already unpacked, so all of our stuff's out. But I mean, it does have a hairdryer, so that's always a plus. Most hotels do. Then you come on out here into the hotel room itself. It is a queen size bed. Feels real firm. Feels like it's real comfortable. You have your nightstands over here where it pulls out for some drawer. Oh, that one doesn't, just the top one. And then the closet has the mirrors on it. I like that. And it is a nice size closet. Ironing board and iron hangers. I don't see any extra pillows, but there is 4 pillows on the bed. And then the dresser over here for your clothes. It does have 2 nice size deep drawers, and there is a refridge over here.
Nice to have on this trip.
Yeah, it is nice.
It's not loaded up with stuff you have to pay for.
Yeah, put your own stuff. Put your own stuff in there. Nice area for your drinks and your supplies.
Is that a bar area?
That's our bar area. We
Nice.
always make that our bar area.
Sweet.
Nice size TV and your
Luggage rack.
luggage rack right in the middle. And then here is our desk. We got the laptop up there where we can
Do some editing.
get our editing done. And
The decor on the wall there.
yeah, it is. It's really nice. They remodeled these rooms over here a few years ago. I'm not for sure what year. And then the 2 sitting chairs. I mean, it's just a basic room. It's not anything real fancy, but it serves the purpose.
It's very roomy. These sitting chairs, I imagine we'll do some redecorating here. So
Yeah, we'll probably turn them around so we
turn
can
around
watch
so
the
we can
night
get this,
view.
Yeah, get this awesome view. This is our daytime view. We've got the Cromwell across the street.
And the flamingo.
You got the high
Mansion and the Palazzo.
Yeah, right there.
Trump Towers.
The Mirage.
And Caesar's Palace.
So yeah, we've got a strip view. And this is gonna look awesome at night.
Yes.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna give you a view of this night view right now. Check this view out at night. And here's the view at night. Caesar's Palace all lit up.
And the view at night is just gorgeous.
Look at that strip view.
It's just so pretty.
And we pan along and get the flamingo right across the street lit up beautifully. And that's the high roller. And it changes colors.
It's pretty cool to ride in.
That's another awesome view.
Yes, it is. And that is our view. That is our review.
All right. Awesome.
And that is our review for the Jubilee Tower rooms at Bally's Las Vegas. Thanks, guys.